In this lecture, we are going to discuss why Python. So here, just you observe, image was taken from the Stack Overflow. Just to observe, the Python is the first place when compared with the Java also, Java and JavaScript. The 25% peoples are to want to learn the Python programming language. Means the demand and support for Pythons are raised continuously. Yes, continuously the Python, the requirement will be raised. Python will overtake Java in the coming years and climb the top stop. Means that the now it was a demanded course for the learners. It is the learner point of view, the Python is a topmost. When we are going to coming years, now the Python will be going huge demand in the market. Means the every project is the relevant to Python, right? Already existing projects are moved with the Python for automation, but still now the Java is a number one in the market, right? But the Python is upcoming. For the coming years, the Python is only the lead the market. So obviously we know that it can be set a top stop, right? So here the Python is the world's fastest growing and most popular programming language, not just among for software engineers. The Python is not for software engineers. So here the Python can be the mathematicians and data analysts and artificial intelligence and machine learning and accounts and statistics. So here everywhere the Python is involved. So not for particular area, the Python is involved in every area. The Python is a beginner friendly programming language. Python can do different tasks. The Python is not for particular area. We are not fixed for Python is only for programming language. The Python is for different areas. It can be do the data analysis and artificial intelligence and automation, web apps and desktop application and testing, and hacking and penetration testing and complex data analyzation. The many areas the Python can be placed. So you ask one question, the SRIKANTH, if in case you are saying the Python can do this all the things, including hacking also there. So here there is only Python can be do this one. Only Python can only do this one. So here the other programming languages can also do this all work. But with the help of Python, what we get? So with the help of with very less code, we can do that. We can do for that this everything very less code. And we can less time, within the span of time we can develop the code. What work we are doing. Suppose we want to build the one project, we want to do the one form validations. When we are using with a Java and when we are using with a JavaScript, it will take so much time for development. But when we are using it's a couple of lines only, it will be take for developing that. So next one, it having one more benefit also there when compared with other language. That benefit is that it is a very simple and powerful syntax. It having very simple and powerful syntax. Already we said that suppose if you want to print one, so just print function, right? If you want to declare any variable, just you declare and you write any value here. So automatically it will be do, right? So that is advantage. The programmer can write very quickly and it is having interpreter programming language. So what it will be execute our program very quickly. So here writing Python code very easy and developing software in Python very fast. The Python has numerous libraries. So here the Python is why this Python is having a most areas. Why? Because the Python is supporting Python having number of libraries. It having number of libraries. It having number of libraries. So what? So developer work may be less, right? So automatically the existing code libraries are available. Just with the help of the libraries, he can be do the work very quick time, right? So with the help of, so what type of libraries? So machine learning, we are having data analyst and data science and testing and hacking. Every area is there, right? Not only that, this Python can be used having variety of frameworks. It having variety of frameworks. So what is a framework? Web frameworks. I am saying about web frameworks, right? So what type of Django is one of the great framework, and Flask and Falcon and Pyramid. So with the help of these, not only these three, and again two or more more 3 or 4 is their frameworks, but with the help of is a famous one. These first two are very famous one. The Django and Flask, both are the now the market is need these guys who are learning this Django and Flask, that people is required in right now in market, right? So with the help of Python we can do the web framework. With the help of web frameworks we can design the beautiful web applications, right? So very easy to Python can maintain very easily. So first one, it having very less code and less time, simple syntax and powerful syntax and numerical libraries, number of libraries, and also so maintenance is very easy. Maintenance is very easy. Very less code compared to other languages. So what? It is easy to read and write, and because of easy English syntax, that is a high readability. It having high readability. So very less code, we can easy to maintain, and it having high readability. So and scalability of Python is also very high, right? Finally, the why Python? Because of it is an object oriented programming language and a high level programming language, and a huge community is one of the great advantage. Huge community and a large ecosystem. Already we discussed this. Large ecosystem, right? Large ecosystem in the sense huge libraries. It having huge libraries, and also it having number of tools, and also it having frameworks. And so with the help of this Python, whatever we wanna do, right? So this is a why Python. So very simple. Just rewind. So Python is a very flexible language and is the most powerful and growing language. And why? Because Python, when compared with other languages, it having very less code and less time to implementation. It having very simple and powerful syntax, and it having number of libraries it's supporting, and maintenance is very easy of Python programs, and high readability and is having, and a huge community is available, and a large ecosystem is also available. These are the reasons we should learn this Python. And one more main reason is there, all areas the Python is included in upcoming years. Now is a trending, it started its trend, and upcoming years Python will be grow very highly, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.